I ain't gonna lie, I didn't know I was gonna draw Skeletor today. I just did a bunch of quick sketches like this and just pushed it through. I didn't have a clue what I was gonna do. And not until I got to around here and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna draw a skull. I'm gonna draw a cool skull. But then I did a smirk on the skull and I was like, this kind of reminds me of someone. Let me pull off a Skeletor. Let's see what that's gonna look like. And from here, it's more like, well, it looks more like the Masters of the Universe Skeletor
Witness to it.
than like I believe the 1990 movie with Dolph Lundgren. But I'm gonna keep pushing anyway, and let's see what else I can do. So, get some reference, hit that ram head, and just keep going. I can already see the skull needs a lot of work, but like I said in my other video, there's about 3 stages I would do in my work. First stage is the rough stage, and that's figuring out what the hell I want to do and how I want to do it. Second stage is corrections, and I'm not even there yet. I'm still trying to figure out even if I want to do this. But being that I did that ram pretty cool, I'm going to keep going. So working this, I realized that, okay, I believe that stage 2 is pretty much done. Well, needs to start. And here we go. I'm going to make corrections. Now, when I was working the first stage, I left the pupils in the eyes open, if you can see that, but now it's closed. And the reason I did that is I just wanted to see how it would look throughout the duration of the image. And it's not always something I want to keep. This is why I break my drawings in stages, because first stage is experimental and figuring out my fundamentals and little things like that, but they are bigger than you think. Second thing is, all right, making the final decision and what we need to keep, what we need to erase, or what we can change, what we can modify, that kind of stuff. So from here, I think it's looking great. So this is stage 3, the fun stage. And if you heard me talking about this on the last video, fun stage is the best stage. I can wake up at 5 in the morning and knock this thing out, or just have fun, just going at it, sketching very lightly and taking my time. This is not a hard picture to draw. It's you want to play with values, and the values start right at the beginning of the image. You don't have to do these extremely clean line contour drawings. I didn't do that. I took the fat end of a pencil and just graphite this whole thing. And it looks great. Graphite is awesome. You don't need to ink because sometimes graphite does the work for you. But if you want the look of ink work, you need to ink it. So in this case, I didn't care for ink. And graphite gives a lot of values, and if you play with it right, and that's pretty much, if I was to draw this with pencil and paper, I would be using the whole philanthropy of the B pencils, the really thick and soft lead, those where you get your nice hues from. So yeah, this is it. And there's nothing much here. I'm just going to town with his hand, taking his time, drinking my morning coffee. I'm not in no, cafe drawing, nothing like that. No, there's something you do at home in your spare time or whatever you do. So this is going to be part of a bigger picture. I'm going to draw him stepping on He-Man's head. So basically, this is going to be a illustration for Skeletor fans. If you're out there, let me know. Let me know where you are. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap this up. This is not a hard picture. I need to stay here for like 30 hours and explain to you what it is. This is Skeletor, and having a good day. Oh, one more thing. That smirk on his face is what kept me going. I wanted to keep that smirk because you see a lot of pictures of Skeletor. He just got that bone face, and there's a certain look. Like I've actually seen the clip for the new movie, and I think they killed his face really well. Like it's really good. But um yeah, the bone face is something that I don't want to do because it just looks like I'm copying their stuff. So I kind of try to do my own little twist on things and keep it like that. And even this skull, it looks like it has some ligament on it, some flesh, but I just let the values do the work for me instead of me having to draw every single thing out. I hope it doesn't come off as flesh on there, but if it does, what's the big deal, right? It still looks good. So anyway, okay, now I'm done for real. I hope you guys like this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Later.